If you have ever had issues sewing a female shirt collar, then this is the video you should watch, as I will be showing you the simplest way to fix a female shirt collar. Now, for you to fix your female shirt collar seamlessly, the first thing I do is to ensure that the length of the collar is the same thing as the neckline of the shirt too. I've done previous videos on how you can do that. If you also want to know how you can prepare your collar, check my channel for videos on that. You can see that I started my collar from one edge. Some people used to start from the middle. Starting it from the edge always give me that seamless fixing of the collar, and that is why I recommend you doing that. The first thing you need to know, like I earlier said, is to ensure that both the collar and the neckline are of equal length. So when you start from one edge, you will finish it at the other edge without any excess. Look at the way I'm fixing my own gradually. You will see how I will end it. There will be no excess either on the collar or on the neckline of the shirt, and you can achieve the same thing if you follow this simple step that I am showing you here. It can be seamless. Anybody can do it like this. Just ensure that the collar is the same thing as the neckline, the length of the neckline of the shirt. Watch how I ended it. You can see how smooth it is. That is the way your own too should be if you follow the way I am making it in this video. The next step is to top stitch the collar, and this is like the simplest thing when it comes to fixing your collar. You have already achieved a good fixing. Now it's just to top stitch it, and it is also very simple. You see how I will just glide along with my machine. You can see that I just started it and it is moving very, very smoothly. I would actually like to know if you have ever had any issue while fixing your collar. Please drop your questions in the comments for me so I can respond accordingly. This is the place where you should add your label if you have one. I also want you to note that if you are fixing a male shirt collar, this is not the way to attach the label. Watch out for my videos on how to make a male shirt, and I will show you how you properly add your label to your shirt. I would like to know the issues you are having with your collar in the comment section. Then I will be seeing you in my next video. Thanks for watching.